These don't come around very often, so this will not last long. It's a Defender 90 hardtop, but it has been privately owned, so there's no VAT to pay. It's a Defender 90 D250 3-litre diesel. It's then had air suspension, electric tow bar from factory, plus a full exterior styling overhaul. Wide arches, front and rear bumpers, pod lights, spoiler, upgraded 22-inch wheels, so it's got the look that everybody wants. The paintwork is Eiger grey, and with full service history and 11,000 miles, this will make a perfect purchase for someone. Now, just because there's no VAT to pay doesn't mean it won't apply to VAT registered businesses, because it just makes it a dead straightforward purchase. No VAT to claim, no VAT to charge when you come to sell it. The styling that they've opted for is black pack, including the badges, but then extended black pack to the bumpers, and then they've increased the styling with those front canards as well. Wide arches, upgraded 22s in the satin black finish, and then you have front and rear mud flaps with the fixed side steps. Pod lights I'll show you in a second when we come back round to the front. So this is a good looking hardtop. But then when you take into consideration the features like the air suspension and the electric tow bar, it's also got the spec to back it up as well. Now, the electric tow bar's a few benefits. The big one is the cost saving, £3,500 for the part alone from Land Rover. You've then got to get it fitted. And then also, if you compare it to a manual or a detachable, hands and knees and getting all dirty, so you don't need to do that. It's one press of the button, tow bar comes out, and you've then got your air suspension to go down there as well. With the 90, it's a short wheelbase, so it's much easier to drive around in, but you've still got a huge cargo area as well. Full size spare wheel cover, and then exterior styling, they've got those tinted lights and also that rear spoiler on there as well. Have a look from the driver's point of view. You get a lot of spec on the Defenders. We sell boatloads of passengers and commercials, but for me the commercials are in a bit of a league of their own, because if you want a financially savvy business purchase, but then you still want to drive something that looks the part and drives good, then you always end up back at a Defender, because they're exactly the same as the passenger version, but they come with all those financial benefits of a commercial. Your air suspension you can control from the back. You can also control from this panel here, same as you can your air conditioning, your climate control, your heated seats, all controlled from there. Screen in the centre has your navigation, media, rear view, area view camera. There's even a towing specific mode as well. This car's done very low miles, 11,000 miles, the full service history to back it up. It's just been done exactly how someone wanted. We get a lot of contacts on hardtops and Defenders where people are asking, oh, can you do wide arches, can you do pod lights, this is already done for you, so it's already been done. It's got the full service history to back it up. It's only done 11,000 miles, and there's no VAT to pay as well. So when I say it won't last long, it's not a sales pitch, something to grab your attention, it's just a fact. So if you're interested in buying a Defender 90 and you've been waiting for something like this, please act on it. If you want to contact me, you can contact me on my number in the description. Any questions about this car, your car, any funding options, we have several that we can offer you. Feel free to give me a call. My name is Paddy, and I look forward to speaking to you.